Zbigniew Łukowski here. Today I will be telling what for me is the greatest place to learn power-ups as it is now, because I'm a beginner, as you may know, and I've already started exploring Power Platform and I'm struggling, of course, every beginner is struggling. And in this struggle, I try to find a lot of places for me to help. So I will tell you about 4 places and I will rank them from highest to lowest for me. So first of all, there is, I know, don't kill me, there is Microsoft documentation about Power Platform. As you see this link, docs.microsoft.com, and your region and Power Platform, you will see that it will be linked below. You see that this place is great way to learn Power Platform. Maybe not the fastest way, not as fast as YouTube, but the most structured one. And structure is thing you need the most in the beginner position. Trust me on this one. So first of all, there's a Microsoft documentation. Second of all, there is of course YouTube, and on YouTube I find that Shane Young channel is best one to get some knowledge about power-ups. I mean, I didn't found yet someone who can compete with Shane in terms of teaching power-ups and his great personalities. You won't get bored, trust me, and it's hard not to get bored when the topic is really boring. I mean, not Power Platform, but some of Power Platform will probably bore you to death. So Shane got a really good skill teaching this knowledge, and I can assure you, I wasn't paid with any kind of promotion. This is just the best option I found. And thumbs up, Shane. Keep your great work. And if you see this, I'm a fan. I'm a fan, truly. Third option, there is community, and community is really, really important for you because it lets you ask a question which will, in most cases, be answered, and it will teach you how to ask your question. It will teach you what should you provide in good structure of question, because asking question is also a skill and it should be learned. The fastest you do this, the better for you, and you will become a greater developer. So this community is on domain powerusers.microsoft.com, and I found in my journey that Power Apps section, this is the community. And the Power Apps section and Power Automate will be probably most used for me. Of course, if you are in other community, that's good as well. Power Apps community is most responsive. And fourth way, for me, it's the worst way. Sorry, Microsoft, but it's Microsoft Learn. And in Microsoft Learn, you'll get a lot of modules which you will just read, and after reading you've got a quiz with some answers and it will give you points. It's more like child's play, and I found that topics which are described there are shallow, to say at least. And after I've passed the first Microsoft exam, based on the materials here, I was clueless in Power Up. Clueless, and that was devastating for me. So this will not gain you skills. You will have to work for them yourself and search for knowledge in other places, and also you'll have to practice. So because it's really hard to find the first big project, probably. So you have to practice on those small things and build your scale up. That's it from my side. I hope I've helped you at least in your struggle, and that those places are really impactful. If you've got any other places, I will gladly hear from you. Just point them in the comment section and let's have a chat. Let's compare those learning options. I'm open to any, or at least I will try to be open in my free time, which I've got none of. So that's it. If you like this, please leave a dislike, unsub, and leave hateful comment in the comment section. That's all for today. See you soon. Zbigniew Pukowski out.